you're looking for a new drink for the summer, give this one a try. Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making us another drink. I'm going to make a refreshing drink out of cucumbers. Y'all come on, and I'm going to show you how you can make this easy summertime drink. We're going to be using these small type cucumbers. I've already washed them. Now we're going to cut the ends off of both ends and slice them. I'm going to get y'all where y'all can see. So the first thing we're going to do is just cut our ends off of each cucumber. And then I'm going to take and I'm just going to peel my cucumber just a little. Not all the way, not perfect. And we'll save all these scraps right here for the chickens. Because in the summertime, this right here, chickens just love some cucumber and watermelon. It helps keep them cooled down. Just like it does us. It's like them drinking water. It helps refresh them, just like it does us. Okay, now that we've got all our cucumbers with the ends off and trimmed up just a little, we're going to go ahead and we're going to just cut them up into chunks. And now we're just going to put all our cucumbers in our cup. I'm going to save me like 2 bigger chunks. And now to this you can add some white sugar, but we've been staying away from white sugar, so I'm going to add a few of these stevia drops. Probably about 10. And now to our cucumbers, we're going to add just a little water. We're going to put our lid on it, and we're going to blend it. So y'all hold your ears. Now we're going to open it up. And now to our cucumbers, water, and our stevia, we're going to add around, probably, I'm going to use this little cap, and I'd say 2 tablespoons of lime juice. And then I'm going to take and I'm going to add just a dash of salt. We're going to put our top back on it. Okay. I'm going to blend it for just a few seconds. We're going to add our lime. I'm going to cut these bigger pieces of cucumber into smaller little pieces. And now we're going to pour our drink right over the top of our ice. We're going to give that a mix. So if y'all have a garden and you start to have a lot of cucumbers coming in and you're wondering what to do with them, try this cucumber refreshing drink. And now if you're making these for a party, you can actually even take some little pieces of cucumber and just sit right on the top. So if you're looking for a refreshing drink for the July the 4th weekend, give this one a try. Okay, y'all, that's our video on how to use up some of your summer cucumbers. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Oh, that is delicious. This right here is an easy summertime drink. Y'all come on, I'll show you how to make one.